Egyptian potter, likes candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring her on a cloud to